This video shows how to install an optional hard disk drive into a Xerox VersaLink C620 color printer. Press the power button. Then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the hard drive with the packaging. Remove the hard drive and instruction sheet from the bag and packaging. Remove the hard drive from the static bag. Remove the screws from the bag. Remove both screws securing the bracket to the hard disk drive. Remove the bracket from the hard disk drive. Remove the protective standoff covers from the hard drive. Remove the 8 screws securing the rear cover. Swing out the left side of the rear cover. Slide the cover toward the right side of the printer, then lift it off the printer. Position the hard drive over the standoff holes. Press the assembly forward until the standoffs snap into place. Install the securing screw. Plug the hard drive cable into the connector. Reinstall the rear cover and replace the securing screws that were removed earlier. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Power on the printer.